Hey, I'm Chef Chadwick Boyd. I absolutely love NatureSweet tomatoes. In fact, cherubs are my #1 snack. I keep them on my desk and I pop them in all day long. And they're wonderfully, wonderfully sweet with just a little bit of zing. And they're raised by exceptional humans. The NatureSweet associates take such great care of these tomatoes. Now, normally most people think about cooking with them and they cook so consistently for the home cook, but they bake wonderfully too. And I've got a sweet dessert that is a cherub tomato jam with a polenta thyme cookie. Let's get cooking. I'll show you how it's made. We're making a shortbread cookie filled with tomato jam, and the dough is really simple. I've got all-purpose flour, cornmeal, powdered sugar, and a little bit of salt. To that, I'm going to add cubed, chilled, unsalted butter. I'm gonna whisk this up for a few seconds until it forms pea crumbs. And then I'm gonna add my wet ingredients. I've got lemon zest, 1 egg, and some olive oil. And mix it until it forms a ball. And when that's done, I roll it out onto wax paper and roll it up like a log, put it in the refrigerator and chill it, and then we'll slice it to bake it. The cookies are baking in the oven. Now it's time for the star of the show, the tomato jam. I'm adding some sliced up cherub tomatoes, some sugar, a pinch of salt. And we're gonna cook this down for about 15 minutes until it's nice and jammy. And right before it's ready, I'm gonna add in some fresh oregano and a pop of black pepper. The tomatoes have cooled and it's nice, thick, and jammy. I'm gonna sandwich it together between these two shortbreads. Look how thick that is. So sweet. Now this is a wonderfully NatureSweet treat. Cheers.